Well, thank you for tuning in. We are glad you are watching. Now, 3 people have been shot dead and several others injured, including police officers and journalists, after goons attacked a team covering a gold miners' protest in Isulu, Ikolomani constituency, Kakamega County. The violence erupted as locals opposed a planned public participation meeting conducted by NEMA at Emusali Primary School. Clement Masombo opens our bulletin with that story.
What was meant to be a meeting between locals and representatives from Shanta Gold Kenya Limited to discuss the proposal to relocate over 800 families from 337 acres of land earmarked for gold mining as part of the recommendations in the Environmental Impact Assessment report turned chaotic, leaving 3 people dead and others injured.
Public participation, is it forceful? Kwa nini lazima? Kama wananchi wamekataa, sasa tunalazimisha kwa nini?
Watoto walikuwa hawana kazi, wizi ulikuwa mwingi katika area hii. Lakini kwa wakati huu vile watoto wanafinyika na hii kazi, hakuna wizi ambayo unaendelea katika area hii.
Sisi tumesaliwa huko, sisi watu wa huko, tunataka tuende wapi?
Na tuko na haki.
Ninauliza. Mr. Shinali, uko wapi sahi?
Yes.
Mr. Poni Khalwale, uko wapi?
This was after the government ordered relocation of locals to pave way for the mining project, following revelations that Isulu and Ushangala zones hold gold deposits valued at over 683 billion shillings.
Tunataka haki yetu. Tunataka haki yetu.
Shanda must go.
Tunataka kututoa this ancestral land. Wazazi wetu wamekufa huko hapa chini. Mnataka tuende wapi na wazazi wetu wenye wamekufa?
We are rejecting much as we can. Shanta hawezi kukanyaga Bushangala hata siku nyingine. Bushangala, Isuru, the whole community. We have our own presentation. Kuna CBO yetu ambayo tuna present, tuna mawakili, tuna watu wengine ambao watatusaidia kwa hii vita.
During the protests, a staff room and a public address system was set ablaze at Emusali Secondary School. In addition, other property meant for the public engagement were also destroyed. Kakamega County Deputy Governor Ayub Savula blamed the National Environmental Management Authority NEMA for conducting public participation in secrecy.
If they carry out a public participation, they pay a few agents here and there who comes to represent the people of Ikolomani, and yet they are not the real people there. Shanta is using brokers. We want the people of Ikolomani to be on board first, not the brokers. Then the idea, we have technology. They can mine using the other technologies, but not displacing people.
In the aftermath, 2 police officers and several journalists were injured, including KTN's Mumo Munuve, Fidel Mbaraka of TV47, whose camera was destroyed, and NTV's William Akosi, who lost his camera, a mobile phone, and a laptop.
Kukata mkono wangu, lakini sasa bahati tu nikaweka kamera, wakapata kamera. So kamera yangu imekatwa karibu kutoka yote. So imekatika yote. Battery pia waliitoa na ile ya kufunika lens ya pale mbele pia iliangushwa. Singeangalia kwa sababu wangenimaliza.
Wakani attack, nilipigwa shingo kwanza na chuma, na wakati panga ilikuwa inakuja, I think ilikuwa imembatana na hiyo chuma, lakini ni kuweka mkono ndio mkono ikazuia, ndio naona kifanya nini ikapigwa hivi.
Clement Masombo, KTN.